Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32 Hot Wheels. On a short card from the Nissan series number 4 or 5. The last one I opened up like this was also on a short card and it was green. It's in the background there. HotWheels.com. Ba-da-da-ba-ba. And we have a 2018 copyright. Probably a 2019. We have soft corner. Look at all that. It's all fraying. Plenty of reasons to open this thing. Let's get it out of the package. Whoopah! Very cool looking ride. All four wheels roll well. And not painted taillights, but there are some lights painted. 4 red dots. Headlights are painted. You can't even tell because it's white. Can you see that? You can barely tell. I got to really look hard to see that they are painted. It's white on white. Plastic bottom. Car is made in Malaysia. All the white you're looking at right now is metal. All the windows are up. And the driving is on the right. Not sure if you can see that with the sky reflection. Ooh, they are a little different. These two cars are a little different. And they are the same car. But look at the spoiler. This is way different. All right, let's put him right there. It's the same type of car, but it's not the same casting. And while I was saving these in the package, I thought they were the same casting. Oh, look at that. Speakers in the back also. It's a straight roller. Is it a smooth roller on my track? Boom! Oh, I got flip. Oh. Smash. All right, what kind of a drifter is it? Oh, a nice bounce right there. Yeah! Oh! Nice ride, though. Totally sweet car. Double checking to see if these are the same car. GTR R34, GTR R32. So this is an R34 and this is an R32. That would be the difference right there. Thank you, everybody that tuned in and checked it out. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And I would never have realized that they were different cars unless I opened them on the channel. Thank you, everybody that checked it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Let me just see something right here. If we take both of them and... Whoa! White one's faster. It is. T10 out.